Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reset your tire pressure monitoring system after you inflate your tires, Audi A4 or S4. We're going to sit and have a seat on the driver's side. We are now switching on the device, as you can see. Now I'm switching on the device. That means we are ignition on. We do not have to start the engine right now. That is not necessary. But then we have to enter into the MMI. We are choose some options by rotating this knob, as you can see. Then we can push to go in one option and we go back to the main menu, for example. If we are in some other menus and we are going to back on the home menu, we can push, still pushing the menu button itself. So let's start at the MMI. Here we are. This is the MMI menu. We are rotating to car. There, which function? Push. Then we go and write now T, Y, then R, and that's enough to see on the bottom side tire pressure loss indicator. Go down a little bit and swipe to tire pressure loss indication. Okay, here we are. There, searching service and checks tire pressure loss indicator. When you have checked and correct the pressure in all 4 tires, we did that. We have to store the pressure. Okay. Yes, of course, the current pressure of all 4 tires corresponds to the required values. Yes, store now. Now, the pressure which we inflated before is saved. That's good, because this is now the level which the car can count. If we go up with the pressure or down with the pressure, we will get some information again on the screen. But now the tire pressure monitoring system lamp is switched off. And now we can go back to menu and we can switch off, of course, the machine itself. But here you can see no problems are detected right now. That means we can go back to the street again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.